heart-shaped paratha, for which you need to prepare a mixed vegetable of your choice and add cheese to it. I have used grated cheddar cheese. Mix thoroughly. Make a wheat dough in advance. Prepare the number of balls you need and smoothen it, and start filling the stuffing. Do not overstuff while filling the stuffing because it will come off, and you need to carefully seal. As you can see, this one is overstuffed, so it might come off. Carefully seal the balls with the stuffing, and you can keep it handy before we start making the parathas. We are going today to make heart-shaped parathas out of it, and at a time we can make multiple so that it saves time and it's a good party starter. This one is perfect. On a heated tawa, we are placing a heart-shaped mold, and then we are putting the balls into it, and we'll grease the top and press it hard so that the shape of the parathas is obtained. We will carry on with the next one and keep on preparing like that. Apply ghee to it so that it remains soft and moist. You can also use oil, but I prefer to use ghee. You can extra press it so that it becomes a bit more thinner and the shape also is maintained. Don't worry if little filling comes out, it will taste delicious. Cheese added to the filling gives a binding and also increases the taste. Children would love this paratha, so you can feed them with any kind of vegetable mix, whichever you prepare. You can see how fast it is easy to prepare. The shape is quite interesting and the kids would love it. Since I didn't grease the mold, it was sticking to the top of the mold. So don't worry, it will come off. So you see how fast it is to prepare, and at a time you can make multiple and you can serve your guests together. It will almost taste like a stuffed bun, but it is actually a paratha. If it would have been rolled, it would be thinner, and this is thicker. That's the difference. Delicious cheesy heart-shaped parathas is ready to be served. Enjoy these parathas and do comment how you liked it. Thanks for watching.